7, 8, and 9, now they're just working their way sort of backwards. They want you to find the polynomial f of x, degree 4, which means it has 4 zeros, and it gives you the following zeros. Well, if my answers are x equals negative 2, x equals 1, x equals negative 6, and x equals 0, when I solve these, I would have had to move these over. And so if negative 2 is an answer, my factor would have been x plus 2, right? If 1 is a factor, then, or 1 is an answer, then x minus 1 was my factor. If negative 6 is, then I would have x plus 6. And here, I could just have a plain x, I could have 2x, I could have negative 5x, just like those ones where we had the number right in front of our x. I just used the plain x. So, since we're writing our equation f of x, we're just going to have f of x equals x plus 2 times x minus 1 times x plus 6 times x. So number 8, we want to find a polynomial f of x of degree 5 that has the following 0. So, if negative 6 is my answer, my factor would have been
X plus 6.
x plus 6. If 0 is my answer, then my factor would have been
X.
just plain x is good. If 5 is my answer, then my factor would have been
X minus 5.
x minus 5. And if 9 is my answer, my factor would have been
X
x minus 9. Since it says it has a multiplicity of 2, I would add what to that?
2.
Sort of. It's going to be squared. Means I have that factor twice. Or I could write a second x minus 9. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, because that one occurs twice. Now normally on Alex, they won't stick the x right in the middle. They'll put it either in the front or on the end just because it looks prettier, but you can stick it in the middle. It's okay, it'll work. It just looks kind of weird smushed in there. So number 9, we want our polynomial of degree 4 that has the following zeros. And so our factors would be
X minus 7. X plus 2. X. X plus 1.
and that'd just be our answer then.